Assalamualaikum dear friends. So here I am with my second free lesson of math from ZLKKAS favorite channel. The topic for today is reading and writing the numbers. Before starting that, you don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So reading and writing the number is connected with the place value. That was our last lesson. The place value, as it is the position of the digits in the given number. If we know the number, the digit, the position of the digit in the number, we can read it and write it. There are three ways to read and write the numbers, that is expanded form, standard form and word form. Expanded form is actually a way to write a number such that all of the place value components of the number are separated. Each digit is broken out and multiplied by its place value such that the sum of all the value equals the original number. How to understand it? Let's see. Here we have a number where 8 is ones, 2 is tens, 7 is hundreds, 9 is thousands, 1 is 10,000 and 2 is 100,000. Let's read the thousands together. So it is 219 thousands, 728. Let's write it in expanded form. We will take the first digit, that is 200,000. So with 2 we will add zeros to make it 100,000. 1, 10,000. We will add zeros to make it 10,000. 9 is 1000, so with 3 zeros. 7 is 100, so with 2 zeros. 2 is 20 with tens, so 1 0, and 8 is ones. It means there will be no more zeros. So this is the expanded form of this number, and see that all the components are separated with 0. As thousands and hundreds, they are separated. Secondly, in expanded form, when we separate them, they are all represented with zeros, and when we will add them all together, it will give us the real number in actual. Okay, so this is the example. Next, here we have one more example. 3 is ones, 4 tens, 506 is thousands. So 6,543, this is the expanded form. 6 is 1000 with 3 zeros, 5 is 100 with 2 zeros, 4 is tens with 1 0 and 3. Similarly, this is another example. Here you can see that if we add them all components together, we will get the same number, 6,543. Here you can see it is separated with a comma. Next we have standard form. It is a way of writing down very large or very small number easily. Components of standard form are separated by commas. Similarly, also here the components means thousands, hundreds, millions, billions, they will be separated with commas. Now let's see how we will read this number. 6 ones, 0 tens, 7 hundreds, 8 thousand, and 9 is 10,000. So read the thousands together. 98,706. So this is the way how we can read this number and how we can write it in the figures. So that is called actually the standard form, as this is 784,412. This is the standard form that is represented by figures. Here is the third way, that is word form. As the name is showing, word form. It is to write the number as you would say it in words. Components are separated by commas. So word form is actually, we are representing the standard form in words, in spellings, right? So 5,268. All we have to write it in the form of spellings, in the form of words that are also separated with commas. Here actually, to write the number in word form, we must remember the spellings of the numbers. So here are the numbers. If you learn the spellings of these numbers, you can easily write any number in word form. Here is the example, 8,539. How we will write it in standard form? It is written in the form of figures, so that is the standard form. How to write it in expanded form? We will add zeros with 8 thousands, with 5 hundreds, with 3 30, and with 9 that is alone because it is ones. Word form we will write in spelling 8539. With this example, we can easily know the values of the number. So 5 over here is 100, 509 is ones, 8 is 8003 is 30. Here is the chart. If you remember from the last time, that with each next column, we are multiplying it by 10, right? So remember the group of ones, group of tens, millions and billions. So you can write the words in the given expanded and standard and word forms. Here is an interesting game for you. You have to roll the dice 2 times. Once you will roll the dice, you will get a digit, write it. Second time when you will roll the dice of the lotto or something, you will get another digit. So the number which I got is 53. Now I have to write 53 in expanded form, 50 plus 3. Then I will write it in word form, that is 53 in spellings, right? So in this way you have to write more 5 numbers. Okay, over here you will write more 5 numbers in standard form, then you will write it in expanded form, then you will write it in word form. You will get 10 marks for that, and then you have to submit it in your Google class. If you didn't join that Google class, then kindly join my math free Google class with this code, and then you can get my weekly lessons and you can get the assignment. You will submit it there and I will grade it, right? And also you can add the code to join my English Google class, that is free language class. The code is here. If you will complete the whole program with me, you will get the certificates on payments. So uh, that's all for today, and I hope the lesson is very clear to you. If there is any problem in understanding the language, you can also see the Urdu version which I am going to post now also, that is the explanation in Urdu, right? So till my next class, remember me in prayers and please stay tuned. Share my channel with others so they can also get benefited. Fi aman Allah.